I don't know if you've been doggedly following, of course, this fight of corruption here as well. I don't know, what will be your comment just briefly before we move to the next editorial cartoon that also speaks quite volubly to us?
Well, I haven't been cited on this particular issue, but I have to say that I don't have much to add to my colleagues, except that unless corruption is treated as a judicial issue, unless the institutions to tackle corruption are empowered with prosecutorial powers, and unless they have independence from the political leadership, then they're doomed to fail. And so I think that is the question that my friends have raised here. And when I look at the front page of our newspaper today, The Standard, were 6 billion shillings paid for this telecom deal, and the Attorney General doesn't know who the money was paid to in the 21st century in 2023. How is it that you can pay 6 billion shillings and not have a paper trail?
It's an eye-popping figure.
This is the kind of issue that
it's a mouth-popping figure. It's not an eye-popping figure.
You know, we shouldn't be asking ourselves these questions today. I mean, in the absence of a paper trail, it shows that there's something wrong.
So what
with
do you
our
say about you
mechanisms.
as an Auditor General, when you say you cannot really trace this money, you have no sorting idea where the 6 billion shillings is, you should resign?
You know, the point that Kagwanja made about the difference in philosophy